Imagine you have a Google Sheet where users' information and responses are being added constantly, and you want to send them instant SMS alerts as their entry is made. But doing this task manually can be time consuming. But what if I told you that this task can be completely automated without even lifting a finger? So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video I am going to show you how you can automate Google Sheet to SMS alerts in real time with Pabbly Connect. So now as soon as a new entry will be made over my Google Sheet, I am going to send SMS by using Twilio to my users. So if you also want to create this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen, and now I'm going to show you how you can automate Google Sheets with Twilio for sending SMS alerts. So here I'm going to use an amazing software that is Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So here I'm going to automate SMS alerts for the leads added in my Google Sheet. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time. So here you can see this is the Google Sheet where I'm saving the details of my lead, and here I'm receiving my leads by using this form, that is users form. So now I am going to fill this form and receive the lead in my Google Sheet, and from Google Sheet I am going to send SMS alerts to my lead. So here I am going to fill this users form providing full name demo, last name user, email demo@pabblytunes.com, phone number and the message or the query. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted, and here you can see in my Google Sheet I have successfully received the response which I have recently filled over my Google form, and now an SMS might be sent to my this lead. So here you can see I have attached this screenshot which clearly shows that my lead has received this message, and this message says, "Hi demo user, we have received your query XYZ, reviewing it and will contact you shortly." And this message shows that I'm using my Twilio trial account, but this message will not appear in your permanent account. And now let me show you how this automation is going to be built in by using Pabbly Connect. And if you are planning to buy any of the Pabbly product, then I have an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and start automating your whole business. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code on any yearly and lifetime access plans and get heavy discounts. Now for creating this automation, you have to access Pabbly Connect by opening a new tab and typing its URL. So here I am providing it the name Google Sheet to SMS Alert Automation. Now I am going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and we are successfully landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. And Pabbly Connect basically works on two components, that is trigger and action. So now I am going to select my trigger app as Google Sheet, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as a new data is added to my Google Sheet. So here I am going to select it, and now I am going to select my app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So now I am going to add this webhook URL to the Google Sheet for building the connection. So now let's copy it, and here you can see I'm landed to my Google Sheet where you just have to go to extensions, and on the extensions you will be getting this add-ons, and on the add-ons you have to select this get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the Pabbly Connect webhook. And here you can see I'm getting this app which is already installed. So you firstly have to install it, and afterwards again you have to go to extensions, and here you can see we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect webhooks which you have to select, and here we are getting this option for initial setup which you have to select. And you will be getting this initial setup dialog box where you have to add the webhook URL which you have recently received from Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to provide this webhook URL, and now it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So here you have to enter the trigger column or the last data column of your Google Sheet so that you can get all the response of the Google Sheet. So here you can see my last data column is F. So here I am going to enter my trigger column as F. Now let's click over this submit button, and here you can see we are getting this message message that is set up configured successfully. And now we just have to send the test data, as in my Pabbly Connect it is waiting for the webhook response. So for providing the webhook response, we have to receive the data in our Google Sheet. So here I'm receiving my data by using Google Form, but you can receive the data in your Google Sheet the way you want. So now for adding the data in my Google Sheet, I'm going to fill my users form. So here I'm landed to my users form, and here I'm going to fill this form. So here you can see I have provided the first name smart, last name user, email smartuser@pabblytunes.com, phone number, the message or the query. Now let's submit this form, and here our form has been successfully submitted, and here I'm successfully receiving the same data which I have recently filled over my users form. And now we can send the test data. So now let's click over the send test, and here you can see our test data has been sent successfully. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving the test data over there or not. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect, I have received this response, that is response A, with all the fields or the same details which I have recently filled over my form and sent the test data by using Google Sheet. So this shows that we have successfully added our trigger app, and now I am going to send SMS to my this lead by using Twilio, which is going to be my action app. So now let's search for the Twilio. So here you can see I'm getting this application which I'm going to select. Now I'm going to select my app event as send SMS message. Now let's click over this connect button, and here if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection, follow the steps which I'm going to show you. And here I have selected this button, that is add new connection, and here we are getting a new connection name. And now we are getting these fields, that is account SID, authorization token, and account SID again. So now we have to get all these details for building the connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards my Twilio account, and here you can see I'm getting the account SID which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So here I have pasted my account SID on both these fields. Now let's get our authorization token. So now let's copy it and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have received all these details. Now let's click over this save button, and here our connection has been built in. And now we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the body of the SMS. So now let's enter it. So here I have entered the body of the SMS, and after this word hi, I'm going to enter the name of my lead. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually do it, but no, I'm going to perform mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the name of my lead from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, which is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous applications. So by using this Google Sheet, I'm going to map the name of my lead. So here I'm going to enter the first name, provide the space, and now I am going to map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it, and after this word query, I am going to map the query or the message received. So here I am going to map it, and now these fields are dynamic, means now you don't have to enter the name or the query of your lead manually again and again. The response will be replaced as the new data will be added to your Google Sheet. And now it is asking me to enter the sender number. So for getting the sender number, let's move on towards my Twilio account, where you can see this is my Twilio phone number which I am going to copy and paste over here. And now it is asking me to enter the recipient's number. So you can even map the recipient's number from here, that is the Google Sheet, but here I am going to enter my phone number so that I can show you the response which I am receiving. So here I am going to add my phone number over here. So here I have entered my phone number. Now let's click over the save and send test request. And here you can see we are receiving a positive response, which demonstrates that an SMS might be sent to this number or my phone number. So here I have attached this screenshot which clearly shows that I have successfully received an SMS alert. So now you can also send SMS alerts to your leads saved in your Google Sheet. And this message says, hi smart user, we have received your query XYZ. Our team will review it and contact you shortly. Stay tuned. So now you can also send SMS alerts like this for your all leads, clients or the customers. So now if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then start using Pabbly Connect now and take your business to the next level. and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. And if you want many more amazing automations like this, then comment automation. And if this video is really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.